What's up, guys? Today we're breaking open a box of Panini Prominence 2013. Should be about 3 hits in here. Just get right into it. We got 3 boxes. Each one should contain about 5 or 6 cards. Let's see what we can get. We're looking for a Bell, a Kelsey, a D-Hop. Looks like on the front we got a little Matt Forte action. Man, they're making these a little difficult, or maybe I'm just getting a little weaker. I don't know. Nice and gentle with these guys. All right, and on the front we got Matt Forte, Tony Romo, Barcavius Mingo. That's a dope name, rookie card. Next we got a John Bostic, autoed out of 999. 999, not too much, but John Bostic, not too great. D. Milliner. Just get right on to the next box. And on the front, looks like we got a Ray Rice. You have to be super careful here. These things are a little hard to open. Okay. Let's get to it. Oop, looks like we showed the back card there. Ray Rice, Antonio Gates, another Barcavius Mingo. Nice. And on the back we got a Jasper Collins and a rated rookie patch 225, Chris Gregg. If only he was something, man. This is a good looking card. We'll get that one sleeved up. We'll see if we can do something with that or throw it on the eBay. We got our third and final box here. Hopefully we can get a banger out of this box. So far we're lacking a bit. Man, these are tough to open. Gotta be super careful. The last thing I want to do is bust one of these packs open and have the cards explode all over the table. All right, let's see. So we got an old school Andre Johnson, a Mark Butt Fumble Sanchez, that's nice. Andy Dalton, 64 out of 99. Next we got a Monte Teo out of 102. Wow, nice little plastic piece on there. Look at that. Very cool out of 102. Monte Teo rookie card. Very cool. And in the back here, we got an Antonio McCaleb. Yeah, the Monte Teo looks nice out of 102. And we got this, rated rookie patch out of 225. Very cool. Nothing too crazy out of here, out of this box. Probably get another one, but not too bad for some old school stuff. So, thanks.